Found this absolutely stunning Procumbens Nana Juniper that came into the nursery, and I knew I had to have it. I think it's got great potential for bonsai, for a cascading bonsai. I need to investigate it a little bit, and I hope I don't screw this up. Step one is I'm going to take it out of the pot and see if we can locate the trunk and expose it a little bit. We are going to make a mess. So we'll spend the next few minutes using the tiny rake to see if we can find the trunk. Hopefully it has a nice trunk. That's one thing I do not know. Save that for later. Potentially some root nematodes there. Does have a nice looking trunk there. There's a lot of other stuff around it. This also looks like nematode damage. Now the next couple of minutes will determine if this will become a bonsai or not, because we're going to start trimming some stuff away from that trunk to see if it has a good enough trunk for what we want. Okay, let me show you what I'm seeing here. It's got a nice trunk, but one side of it has a whole lot of roots, like right in here, where I'm wondering if I should cut all these roots off to kind of expose more of that trunk. But that's going to be quite a lot of roots to take off. Unfortunately, this plant was buried pretty deep where the crown of the plant was under soil, so it actually shot off all these roots because there was soil there. The crown of the plant should probably be somewhere down here. Just made some progress, so I took this branch off, and that made a huge difference. I'm thinking this would be the front of the tree, but look at this. This, bam, all of a sudden you're seeing the trunk, a nice curvature on the trunk. I like it. Things are starting to shape up now, so what I'm going to do is just go through and start thinning out more branches underneath, unnecessary branch points that we don't need. Here we go. We're getting close to the final form. I really like it. I changed the front a little bit, so it's looking nice. Look at all the branches I took off of it. Here's the after. Just need to get a proper pot for it. I think it turned out really nicely though.